guys, Jacqueline here from Homeworks, etc. I have our round tiered tray in front of me, but I thought it'd be fun just to showcase some accessories for our DIY tiered tray kits that really just help to fill out the tray and accessorize it with some everyday decor. I'm going to start with some of our classics, our foliage here, our wreaths. This one is a eucalyptus wreath. It's just really nice to have some greenery on the tray. And we also have our boxwood wreath. So again, the best kind of plants to have because you can't do them wrong. And these I love to put at the back of the tray. So as we go through some of the accessories, I'll also show you how to display them with our everyday tiered tray kit. So yes, the eucalyptus wreath, the boxwood wreath, and I love these little plant fillers as well. So these little faux succulents that look real, but they're not. And the price point is amazing. They range from $5 to $9. This cactus plant is in like a faux concrete pot. And so these are some of my favorites. As we move along, we have our hearts, the stone hearts. It's a set of 3 for $11. And it does come in that little burlap cinched bag. Fun just to put on your tray as fillers. And if you're looking for some smaller DIY kits as well, this tile set fits really nicely. Again, you can choose your own paint colors. As well as the mini rolling pins. The mini rolling pins come in a set of 3, and then our standard decals that you can add to it as well are the Love, Home, and Farmhouse. Again, if you guys have any questions about anything or if you're watching us live, feel free to comment below, let us know where you're watching from, and let us know if you've tried one of our DIY kits for our tiered trays too. Okay, our bird's nest we brought out for Easter, but I use it for every day at home. I just think it's just a super cute accessory. Again, it does fill up the tray nicely and it's that miniature size. And again, it adds a little bit of that outdoor feel for indoors. We only have a few of these left, but this is our Succulent Picks. So these picks fit great into this miniature concrete pot. And again, this little one has cactuses on it. And it's like $3, so it's such a great price point too.
Paula says she adores your tiered tray subscription.
Oh, thanks, Paula. So this one I'm actually just gonna fit, you can see how nicely it kind of fits on that top smaller round tray. We do have some terracotta pots. That as well was part of our DIY club. And most of our DIY club subscriptions are a great add-on to our DIY tiered tray subscription box, and they generally coordinate with each other, so they also make great fillers. Again, these little white bowls, you can fill them. At Easter, we filled them with wooden Easter eggs, but you can fill them with anything you want. Again, you can fill it with little succulents. And again, you can just get creative with what you have at home as well. And we love to put candles in our deluxe subscription boxes. 6-cent candle makes some great candles as well. This is one of my favorites. Do I have that facing right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, the raspberry lemon. It has the wood wick inside. Smells so good. I don't always light mine on my tray, but it does fill the tray up really nicely and makes for a great gift too. The larger glass candles, this is the pink grapefruit. That fits nicely too. And again, the round tier tray, you can decorate all the way. So you're depending on where you're facing, you can highlight specific products. We have our Great Everyday Candle collection as well. You can get this set of 4 in store for $35, and so it has 4 of our seasonal scents. So you can switch it out. This here is our DIY bead kit. This is unpainted. It is for you to make yourself, and for Canada Day and July the 4th, we have painted these beads to coordinate. So again, every month you can paint a new set of beads, or you can just keep it really neutral and always use it to accessorize. So on this one, I love to use it on the tiered tray to prop up our little mini blocks. As you can see, sometimes the lower one you don't always see. it gets kind of hidden behind the ledge of the shelf. So I love to use the beads for that. And then we also have two other beads in stock. We have the beads that are already pre-made, and these have the wooden house on the bottom. And then these are newly in stock from Indaba, and these are the concrete hearts, and these are selling really quickly, so I'm not sure how much longer we'll have these in stock. But again, a great way to accessorize your tier tray. And I'll leave this bead kit on there, but this is a beautiful filler. So I think I'm gonna just start adding some pieces to our tier tray here. So the large house fits best on the top shelf. And the beads, and I've got the Boxwood Wreath there already. And the fillers, I'm gonna leave that. These are again super cute on the tray. Maybe a bird's nest. Candle there already. I'll put this one over here. So you can see that these pieces fit really well. We've clustered those. And if there's any extra space. So as you can see, this is our everyday tier tray that we already have painted, the DIY kit, and some filler accessories. So I hope you guys have found this useful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post it in the comments below. And the link is in the title as well, so you can check it out on our website. Have a great day.